Caution, don't drink the water. There's fish crap in it. You can't find stuff like this very often, pretty much anywhere. An entire row of goldfish. Something about Mollies and Platties that just, you know? Oh yeah, this, see? He's not doing too, oh. I thought he was dead, but I guess not. Yo, look at the size of that thing, mega. We have some fish food here now. Let's see if the arowana does anything. Oh! What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Just a couple days ago, we were here. We actually stopped by because we were in the area. We were in Miami. I filmed this video right here, and I told you guys that I'd come back and do a full tour, an entire tour of this place. So that's what we're here for today. We might end up getting some stuff. If not, we still had a full tour. Without further ado, let's go in. This place is booming right now. There's a lot of people. The whole parking lot is full. Oh my god, there's a cat.
Like arowana, like just like.
Oh yeah, what do you think, Cam?
Dude, this thing.
You've never been here before.
Never.
This right here is the neighborhood fish farm. This is the coolest place. Look at that. Just look at all those tanks, and they go as far as the eye can see. If you look, they're all the way back there. So today's plan, like I mentioned, is to just show you, the Cuffaros, everything here. I mean, literally everything. So we're gonna walk tank to tank, row by row, and show you all the fish they've got. Now, a lot of the tanks are something like this. Oh, well, that's Nemo. But a lot of the tanks are smaller tanks, kind of with like, you know, guppies and other smaller tetras and stuff like that. You can see they even sell live plants here as well. This is a bunch of duckweed. Lots of, now it's stuck to my fingers. So I think a lot of this first row is plants. Like, look at all these tanks. The amount of electricity that must be going through this place is mind-blowing. So this entire first two rows are plants. Plants, lots of plants. Oh my goodness, $60 for that. You can't find stuff like this very often, pretty much anywhere. Look at those pieces. That is a beautiful piece right there. How much is that one? 100 bucks. Now we've entered the real stuffs. This whole entire first row is African cichlids. So yes, lots and lots of African cichlids. Y'all know what those look like. I mean, do I really gotta show you every pond? Probably not, but they're very pretty, so we'll check out a couple of them. I love those yellow, bright saturated colors, and cichlids is the best. By the way, on both sides of us is cichlids. Look at them, these are like the little baby ones. Electric blues, so many. I mean, I could just walk tank to tank and shit. Look how many are in that, holy moly. More and more, and there's some goldfish mixed in. I guess we'll do that side later, but we'll start with this entire side here. Cameron, what are your thoughts now that you've seen a little bit of it?
Don't drink the water, there's fish crap in it.
There's definitely fish poop in the water. Oh, I thought he literally made the joke up himself. No, there's literally a sign right here that says, caution, don't drink the water. There's fish crap in it. So the next row over, we have what it looks like to be parrotfish. Bunch of orange parrotfish, super pretty fish. See them all running away from me. They're like, no, but yep, there is lots of them in there. I did indeed bring the GoPro this time because it's kind of hard to see a lot of the fish from above. So just in case, we got underwater footage. You know how we do it over here. So we just walked past a couple of tanks. We saw goldfish throughout those, kind of mixing with cichlids. Right here, we have koi fish though. This is the first bit of koi fish we've seen, although they're gonna go hide in the dark. Oh, here's a couple right here. Looking just prettier than ever. You know, if I ever needed some koi fish, those are pretty nice ones. Although, next day koi, you can use my code and get 10% off. It's in the link in the description, you know. If you ever need koi fish, delivered straight to your door the next day. Anyway, let's keep going. Looks like to be the first couple of tanks have just been a lot of goldfish, and there's a helicopter. Check out these big old goldfish right here. Look how cool they are. I love goldfish, especially those. The Arondas like just chill. They just stay still. That is so pretty. This is so fun to film, by the way, too. Like, I'm having a blast. Goldfish, more goldfish. A lot of goldfish. An entire row of goldfish. So I go row by row, and I've now noticed that a lot of these first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, these first 5 rows are goldfish mixed in with cichlids. Later on in this video though, we are going to see some massive predatory fish, big old red tails, arowanas. I mean, it gets crazy back there. Let's run over to the behind this. You know what, we'll hold off on that. Let's go to the very front again and start on this side. We've seen all this. Now we're going over here. We're gonna start up there and work our way down here to then move to the back. Cameron, you look like you don't fit under this net. Here we go, some new stuff here. Bunch of little guppies. the little fancy tail guppies. Now, I just might have to get some of these because they have some really pretty ones here, and I love guppies. Mollies, platies, guppies, my favorite. Customers are getting guppies, so I don't want to intrude over there, but those tanks are just more of these. Look at the blue on them. Look at the blue. Look at that. What? That is crazy. Oh yeah, see, now we're walking into them. We got a big gourami right here, which I absolutely love, dude. I love that. We have the big old tiger Oscars, and to the right, good old classic silver arowana right there. They're tiny. I don't know if you can see them on camera. Yeah, you can. Those are little tiny baby albino plecos. Now we are here at the tetras. This is gonna be a cool one because I'm a big fan of tetras. We're starting off with the rainbow sharks, albino rainbow sharks. He's not doing too, oh. I thought he was dead, but I guess not. From above, it's kind of hard sometimes to identify a fish. Now, a lot of times you know what it is, but if you don't exactly know what it is from above, it's a lot harder to, anyway. Do you even notice this fish? Look at that. Look at that fish, Cam. On the wood.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm putting the GoPro on him. Oh, he just took off. If any of you Cuffaros know what the heck that is, comment down below. I don't know what it is. Brilliant Rasbora is the tetra that I couldn't figure out. Whole school of them swimming away. I'm gonna remember you, all right? How about that? Gold, zebra, leopard, and pearl. Oh, so much for filming those tetras. They are quick. Tetra, goldfish, and tetra. Panda barbs in there, as you can see. From up top, you see those, yep. Love when my camera focuses perfectly. Some lily pad action. Right down there's some more rainbow sharks. Tiger barbs, we all know the tiger barbs. Good old classic pet store fish right there. Big old snail. Wow, that is a jumbo. Place them back down there at the bottom. Oh baby, look where we're at. Look where we're at. Mollies. My favorite. Here we go, some balloon mollies down there. You can see them, they get that name up. Balloon molly, well, let me put the GoPro down there and you'll see. They have this big old stomach and they're like scrunched up. Kind of like a short body red tail, but it's like a short body molly. They call it balloon molly. More mollies, lots of mollies. Camera, come here, look. Dalmatian mollies, I love them. Those are big too, those ones are big. Something about mollies and platies that just, you know?
You riled up a little bit.
Just gets me riled up, man. Platies, sunburst platies to be exact. Sunburst platies are my favorite fish ever to ever be created. Mollies, more mollies. Platies. PC Farm Part 2 is having the most baller platy pond on planet Earth. YouTube, it doesn't even know what's coming. Cuffaro, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on that. Hey. We made it out to the back now, baby. The Pacu Pond. This is got Pacu in it, you know. We actually have a pond like this in my backyard that has albino Pacu, big red belly Pacu. It's got it all, and we feed those pretty often on the channel if you are new here. They got an albino in here, they got other big ones too, and it's mixed in with some cichlids. Now, I don't even know what's under a lot of this. Doesn't look like anything, but a lot of them are covered, obviously, because we're in Florida sunlight. It's really bright. What? Yo, look at the size of that thing. Mega arowana. I mean, that's three and a half feet long. Well, you guys all coming to say hi to me or something? Look at this. We got the hybrid coming out now. Beast mode. Where's the other one? There. Oh, look at the red tails. There's two of these beasts inside this pond. Big old hybrid coming around. Look at you, man. Hooking me up. Thank you, sir. Oh, look at that iridescent, dude. That's the iridescent we saw last time. I want us to get a better look at that, but we have some fish food here now. Let's see if the arowana does anything. Oh, okay, yep, he did something. Yep. Oh, wow, that was impressive. What do you think?
They eat pellets, that's impressive.
Look at the iridescent coming up. This is sick, bro. We got a feeding going on. We got a feeding. The red tails eating pellets is just beautiful. Mine do the same thing, except for mine are half the size. Look at the iridescent.
I think like 3 foot.
Oh yeah, apparently that iridescent is 30 years old. 30. He got it from someone that had it for 10 years and he's now had it for like 20. Big old fishy. I feel like a kid in a candy shop, man. Now a lot of these tanks out here are covered. The one I really wanted to show you was that one that we just saw. As you can see, they're all covered, and I know the mission here is to find where the albino arowanas are. I know they're in here somewhere. We just gotta find which one is it. Nope, not that one. Nope. Definitely not that one. Nope. Been 4 hours. We're still looking. We're gonna find them. Dude. What the heck are they? I had to get my man's help to try to find these arowanas. Here they are. Look at them. Golly, are they quick. Look at that. Look at that thing, man. That is like a rocket. Look at them hanging out down there. They're super shy. Oh, he's right there, right in front of you down at the bottom. There he is. Shoo! You! That's all we needed to see right there.
Now they're both in that corner just chilling.
Jealous. Beautiful. Oh yeah, there they are. Check those out. Those are iridescent. So similar to one we just saw over there, that massive 30-year-old one. Those are babies. They like to school. They're schooling fish. I really want to buy 2 of those. And actually, coincidental enough, is that a word?
Nope.
I don't know.
No.
But my next video, you'll actually see. I won't spoil it there. Well, Cuffaros, I told you I was gonna come and do a video here at the neighborhood fish farm. Promise I made, and a promise I kept. The video's live, you watched it. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please do smash a like. If you wanna see more videos like this, I'll travel all over the dang world to see fish stores. I actually used to do it a lot more, and they all perform very well. So if this performs well, maybe I'll get back to that. Thank you so much, Cuffaros, for watching. Love each and every one of you. Again, subscribe if you are new. I'm telling you, we have some baller, epic projects coming at the new house. Like I said, beautiful, beautiful place. I'll have the location down in the description down below, just for anyone that might be local here, or if you're coming to visit Miami at any time, you can come see this place. The guy's super cool, the owner let me film all this, so big props to him. See you in the next one. Peace!